Kado upeke romo konya kiye have to defend himself.
I know.
Tienka anakelo no. Now no ne gonyo chunya tie marai. Nyo ginomo tie param kelo lo ka. Akelo lo ka ni gemetika time marai. Gemetika time marai. En kachalo make maleva la matika lo. There are many things mati evidence. Social media. Maka American may yabo. No tie.
Do you have power? I'm sorry to interrupt you. Do you have power to give orders on do's and don'ts, even from our supporters, so that a supporter like my supporter, who is this one, to attack the supporters or to attack the candidate of that one, you ban that candidate, you ban that supporter from participating, because it is true. It is our supporter who are knocking our head.
It is you, the candidate, who should be banned out. Not
it is
even
bad
the
for us to continue letting it happen. You have power to tell him, Alaba, in your work, don't touch A, B, C, D. You're now participating in a political position. Like you're saying, you're participating. Do it, but within your life.
I have powers, but my powers will not go beyond the candidates. I want to be very honest.
Yeah. So you deal with the candidate.
The NRM electorates who are just at par there. I don't have power over them. That's why I was saying, you candidates, you have control over your accounts. And that means if you cannot control your account, then the commission should act on you.
Small observation. The statement of Fearless, that is and he has not been specific. You are going to be in trouble. Because you have not specified. I made a statement.
You will not like it.
I'm telling you. You cannot do anything.
I box you and you will not survive.
You cannot box me. You cannot box me. You cannot box me. You cannot box me. One more time you went to this is our wedding. This is our office. This is our office. This is our office. This is our office.
No, you cannot after those words. No.
Chairman, you already brought issues to be handled.
Let's sit down.
Very stupid.
Let's respect.
It's very stupid.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Mr. Chairman,
it's okay.
Mr. Chairman, calm down.
You first listen.
I think my observation, registrar.
Only.
Yes.
So come down there with one nail, who wrote him here at Baruli have the right. And only one if you are charge you. One of the right. Who are one who can you? Who do with your bro? And I put your own. So God will tell you to kill a piano, the man who can look at. Yeah, that's why I would advise my boss. Me, no man, I did boss one man there while I'm done. I do be precise. When I down there, we look at you, work at you, and you know, on your man. You know what car in a one that the other no. So
it's not proper.
Obeta, one beer you go, then line one you,